This winter, HVAC pros say the last thing you want is for your furnace to quit on you, or worse, having to replace the whole thing. Monday, we tagged along with Corey Lamb from Precision Comfort Heating and Cooling on a Price Hill service call. Lisa Reed had holes and leaks in her heat exchanger, sending carbon monoxide into her home.
That right there, that woof. So that's not normal at all. And that's why she called, because she was hearing that in the middle of the night.
It started with a noise that was frightening Reed's daughter at night and ended with some tough news. Their 20-year-old furnace couldn't be saved.
Being 20 years old, a problem like that, it's really expensive to fix heat exchanger, and it's about an 8-hour job. So it's more than 50% of what it would cost to replace the furnace.
I know you said that it'll be cheaper, but what is the price tag you're looking at?
I think about $5,000, yeah.
And then you can hear once the blower kicks on, how the flame's making that noise, struggling. That's pretty much a dead giveaway that there's a heat exchanger issue.
An issue Lamb says you don't want to have. That's why you should have an expert come twice a year.
Watch them do this. You don't get an honest answer out of people.
Here are his tips for what you can do right now to save you money. Check your filters, make sure they're clean, and even having bleach to pour into your drain to prevent clogging can save you some cash. Some dust around the furnace is fine, but
you hear it's making a weird noise like this, call right away. You see water anywhere around the furnace, call right away. If you feel like it's running like nonstop and it's not satisfying the thermostat, call right away, because the longer you wait, the worse it's going to get.
Anytime I call him, he's usually available the next day, which is great. He is very honest with, what he can do and can't do and what needs to be done. I'm thankful for that.
in Price Hill, Deja Gross, WCPO 9 News.